In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push a CodeIgniter project to GitHub. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just diving into the world of code, understanding how to manage your project versions is crucial, and GitHub is a popular choice for doing just that. So let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll need to open a terminal in your CodeIgniter project folder. This is where your journey begins. Navigate to the location of your project with the command line by typing cd/path to your CodeIgniter project. This command moves you into your project's directory so you can start managing it with Git. Once you're in the right directory, the next step is to initialize Git in your project folder. You can do this by simply typing git init into the terminal. What this command does is it creates a new Git repository, a hidden folder named .git, which will track all the changes in your project from this point forward. After initializing Git, it's important to set up a .gitignore file. This file is essential because it tells Git which files or directories to ignore, meaning they won't be included in your repository. For a typical CodeIgniter project, you'll likely want to exclude generated files, logs, and dependencies. To create the .gitignore file, include entries like vendor, or writable cache, writable logs, writable session, and the .env file. Defining these directories will help keep your repository clean and prevent unnecessary files from being tracked. With your .gitignore file in place, it's time to add and commit your files. Adding the files is straightforward. You do so by entering git add in the terminal. The period follows add and signifies that all files should be included. After adding, you need to commit these changes, which is like saving a snapshot of your project at this point in time. You can commit by typing git commit m initial CodeIgniter project commit. The message in quotes is your commit message, a brief description of what changes this commit includes. Now you need a place to store your code online, and GitHub is the perfect location for that. Go ahead and create a repository on GitHub. Once you've created the repository, you'll see a URL, for example, https://github.com, your username, CodeIgniter project, Git. Copy this URL as you'll need it for the next step. To connect your local Git repository to your new GitHub repository, you can run the command git remote at origin https://github.com/your username CodeIgniter project, Git. This command sets the URL of the repository where your data is to be pushed, effectively creating a link between your local code and your GitHub repository. Finally, to push your project to GitHub, simply type git push uOrigin master. This command uploads your project files to the GitHub repository's master branch. And there you have it. Your CodeIgniter project is now on GitHub, ready to be shared with the world or just safely backed up. Remember, mastering version control with Git and GitHub is a valuable skill that helps streamline your development process, enhances collaboration, and ensures that your projects are stored reliably. Thanks for watching and happy coding.